So today I'm going to show you how to plant your begonia. And this is cascading mix, ideal for hanging baskets, flowers July onwards. So we got a corm. This is a corm, and it's got a curved bottom and a flat top. And if we look at the top, we can just see an eye coming through the top. And the bottom, all these bristly bits, are the roots. So all we've got to do is take our pot of compost and we take our corm, making sure the flat is on the top and the round bit is on the bottom, and we just press it firmly into your pot. And then we just give it a drop of water around the outside, not to puddle the middle of the corm. And there we go. And that is our begonia planted.